tap into this wig maintenance collaboration video with the Wig Barn Company. Dare to get wiglet.
Throwing bomb beauty tips like confetti. Renee Mar. Yeah, Renee Mar.
Hey Beaten Bombays, Renee Mar here, and I'm back with another bomb video. So today I have on the Platinum Blonde wig from the Wig Barn Company of Columbus, Ohio. This is actually my first time trying on a frontal, and you know, this is my birthday wig, so I wanted to really do it up. The Wig Barn Company of Columbus, Ohio actually helped me do that, so thank you so much. I wanted to test out this human hair wig leave-in conditioner. I looked online, it had great reviews. It's called Awesome. That's the name of the brand. It's called Awesome, and I'm just hoping that it's for real awesome, okay? It's really time for me to do maintenance. This is my first time actually getting a wig installed, so you know I'm feeling different, okay? I'm ready to pop out, I'm ready to go outside. It's a hot girl summer, okay? But I have this wig on, and I actually have issues with, you know, frizz. Like, wigs get frizz, like it's a common thing. It's a spray and go, and on the back it says that it's supposed to prolong the life of your wig, and honey, I need this wig for a while. It detangles hair, it prevents dryness, and that's what I'm kind of feeling is my ends are dry and I don't want to cut them. Silkiness, shine, promotes body volume, and promotes freshness, a freshness feel. So we are about to tap into awesome human hair wig, okay? And you know, with these nails you can't do anything, so obviously for this video you're definitely gonna need a wig brush, which I have mine. Mine's a little dirty, but I want to kind of flat iron it, brush it through. And then I also have some wax for those flyaways. I'll be using 24-hour edge tamers. They have an extreme firm hold stick. It's in the flavor mango. So yeah, like I always use this stuff. This is what I usually use when I am like trying to tame my wigs. It does give some instructions. It says for daily use, use wig spray water before using this. I don't have wig spray water. Oh, it's leaking. Place a towel. Okay, so I'm not gonna use a lot of this, but it is like very like watery, so it does have a watery feel. I'm gonna just put it on this wig. It has a nice smell to it. I'm just hoping that it like comes together a little bit better. A little bit more, and again it's like super watery, so we're just gonna put it. I just love the smell. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna flat iron the wig. Oh yeah, it is straightening it a lot better. Like before, when I was straightening it, like my ends would be kind of fuzzy. They're still fuzzy, but they're not as fuzzy. You know, sometimes you can't get. Yeah, I think that a wig spray definitely does help. Wow, like when I say before, when I would flat iron my hair, like my ends would still be kind of like tangly and tattered at the end and still a little fuzzy like a few minutes later. But yeah, like, yeah, I look like I'm certified to be on a team, okay? But yeah, this is what the wig. Thank you for tuning in to another bomb video. Subscribe for weekly videos every Sunday. I'll also be doing bomb beauty tips on my social media at grenade_mar. We see you, girl, okay? We see you, okay? You see me, okay? You see me? And I'll see you next video. May your day be as bomb as you are. Bye.